In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 food vacuum sealers for 2025. Whether you're looking to preserve your food for longer storage or keep it fresh, these sealers are designed to make your life easier. Let's dive right into the best options available this year. Number 5. Xiaomi Automatic Food Vacuum Sealer. The Xiaomi Automatic Food Vacuum Sealer is a game changer when it comes to food preservation. This powerful device can create an airtight seal in just 22 seconds, locking in the freshness of your food faster than it takes to brew a cup of coffee. With a vacuum degree of 60 kilopascals, it ensures that your food stays fresh for longer, reducing waste and keeping it tasting as good as the day you bought it. Operating at only 120 watts, this vacuum sealer is incredibly energy efficient. Not only will it keep your food fresh, but it will also help you save on electricity bills, making it an eco-friendly choice for the environmentally conscious consumer. This machine is designed for ease of use. Simply plug it in, insert your food into one of the provided reusable food saver bags, press the button, and let the machine do the rest. It's that simple. It can handle multiple packages at once, making food storage faster and more efficient. Weighing only 0.67 kilograms, the Xiaomi vacuum sealer is compact and won't take up much space on your kitchen countertop. Available in 2 stylish colors, classic white and sophisticated black, it will fit perfectly with your kitchen decor. With its sleek design, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features, the Xiaomi Automatic Food Vacuum Sealer is a must-have tool for anyone serious about food preservation. Number 4. saengQ Vacuum Sealer. The saengQ Vacuum Sealer packaging machine is an electric automatic vacuum sealing device designed for household use. Operating at a working voltage of 220 volts, it comes equipped with a European 220-volt standard power plug, making it compatible with various kitchen setups. This vacuum sealer is incredibly versatile, capable of storing a wide range of food items such as meats, seafood, nuts, vegetables, and both dry and wet foods. By removing air from the vacuum bag, it helps prevent decay and bacterial growth, ensuring your food stays fresh for longer periods. With a simple push of a button, the saengQ vacuum sealer begins its automatic vacuuming process, which only takes 15 seconds. This easy operation streamlines both meal preparation and food storage, making it ideal for busy individuals. One of the standout features of this vacuum sealer is its ability to significantly reduce food waste. Thanks to its multi-layer material heat sealing, it effectively prevents food from becoming frostbitten or spoiled. Food sealed using the saengQ vacuum sealer can stay fresh up to 8 times longer than with traditional preservation methods. This makes it perfect for preparing meals in advance without worrying about spoilage. The saengQ vacuum sealer has a strong sealing power of 60 kilopascals and can complete the vacuuming process in just 15 seconds, with an additional 7 seconds for sealing. The LCD digital display makes it easy to monitor the sealing process for a hassle-free experience. Number 3. Donirt Food Vacuum Sealer Machine. The Donirt Food Vacuum Sealer Machine offers powerful performance with a rating of 145 watts and strong suction capabilities, ensuring a perfect seal every time. Its 7mm wide body heating wire delivers an excellent sealing effect, and it can seal bags up to 31.5 centimeters wide, making it ideal for preserving everything from fruits to meats. This vacuum sealer stands out for its user-friendly design. It comes with an integrated cutter and offers both single and double pump vacuum options. With just a touch of a button, you can switch between dry and wet vacuum modes, making the entire process incredibly simple. Offering great versatility, the Donirt Food Vacuum Sealer includes 5 functional modes: automatic dry mode, automatic wet mode, seal-only mode, manual vacuum mode, and external vacuum mode. Whether you're sealing meat, fish, fruits, or snacks, this machine is up to the task. Customization is key with the Donirt food vacuum sealer, as it features 3 adjustable sealing temperatures: low, standard, and high. This allows you to adjust the settings to meet your specific food preservation needs. For easy maintenance, the detachable flushing base design prevents liquids from entering the machine's interior, safeguarding the circuit board and making it simple to clean food residue. With the Donirt food vacuum sealer machine, you can extend the shelf life of your food while preserving its freshness and flavor, making food storage easier and more efficient. Number 2. LAIMENG Vacuum Sealer Packing Machine. The LAIMENG Vacuum Sealer Packing Machine is designed to preserve the nutrients, flavors, and freshness of your food by removing oxygen and slowing down oxidation, bacteria, and mold growth. It's an excellent tool for anyone looking to reduce food waste and save money by keeping food fresh for longer periods. The LAIMENG 6621 model is built for continuous operation, capable of sealing up to 100 bags in one go under dry mode and room temperature. This makes it ideal for high-volume sealing without needing a break. The machine features quick sealing times ranging from 6 to 11 seconds, depending on whether you are using dry or moist mode. It also includes a built-in cutter, so you can customize bags to suit your needs. With a vacuum pressure of up to 60 kilopascals, the suction power ensures that your food is sealed securely every time. The machine's dry and moist modes optimize sealing for various food types, from meats to snacks and dried fruits. Safety is a top priority with the LAIMENG vacuum sealer. It includes NTC overheating protection, automatically stopping and flashing lights if the temperature gets too high, and resuming once it cools down. The 12-volt low-voltage heating wire adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring peace of mind during use. Its 3mm sealing width guarantees your food stays perfectly sealed even during the sous vide process, preventing leaks or splits. This vacuum sealer is also versatile for a range of uses beyond food preservation. Number 1. Senior Electric Vacuum Sealer. The Senior Electric Vacuum Sealer, model Moson 175, is a versatile and easy-to-use sealing machine designed to handle a wide range of foods, from grains and beans to meats, fruits, and vegetables. Simply place your food in a compatible bag, press the button, and let the machine do the work. Its compact design makes it ideal for both home kitchens and commercial settings, such as hotels, restaurants, and coffee shops. One of the key features of this vacuum sealer is its 5mm widened sealing line, ensuring a firm and airtight seal with reduced risk of air leakage. It also comes with a 30cm long pocket knife for quick and precise bag cuts, so you can customize the size to fit your needs. Powered by a 250-watt motor, the Senior Electric Vacuum Sealer delivers fast surging power, sealing your food efficiently. The machine includes a dehumidification tank that holds up to 500 milliliters, pumping out excess moisture or juice to prevent spills and leaks during the sealing process. With 5 sealing modes: dry, wet, soft, crispy, and oily, this vacuum sealer is capable of handling a variety of foods. It also features both manual and automatic modes, giving you control over the sealing process. You can adjust the vacuum duration from 1 to 60 seconds and the heat sealing duration from 1 to 15 seconds. Additionally, the machine includes an external connector for inflating bags or vacuum containers, making it a great option for both home and commercial use. There you have it, the 5 best food vacuum sealers for 2025. Each of these models offers unique features to suit different needs, ensuring your food stays fresh for longer. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.